In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money in 2021. Good morning, everyone. Okay. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money in 2021. So the first step in making money would be saving. The more you save, the more you can use to invest in more money. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is a very good idea to make money. If you have the money already, you just need money to pay off a down payment. You can put down like 5 to 10%, and then the rest, I would suggest getting a loan or mortgage for it. So when you're investing in real estate, you have to be very smart. If you do have the cash to pay off the house, I wouldn't recommend doing that. I know if you get a mortgage or if you get a loan from the bank, you do have to pay for interest, but if you think about it, with the cash that you could have used to pay off the house, you can use with the cash that you were going to use to pay off the house, you could use that the cash that you're going to use to pay off the house, you can actually use to invest in something else and potentially earn more money in the long term. Whatever you invest in can actually make you more money, so you got to think smart about that. You can use that to invest in more real estate or invest in other things. When you rent out a property to tenants, they are basically going to be the ones paying for your mortgage. Technically, you're getting someone else to pay off the house for you. So real estate is a very good market to go into. You can always buy and sell, buy to rent, or even buying to live for yourself is also good because you have a property that you can eventually sell in the future. Another way to make money would be to invest in stocks. Investing in stocks is a good way to earn money. Some people say, I don't have money for stocks, but save the $5 that you were going to use to buy coffee and invest in it. There's a lot of stocks that are less than $10 a share. There's also like penny stocks that you can buy that are like less than $5. So you don't always need like tens and thousands of dollars to invest in stocks. If you do have the money to invest in anything under $300, I would invest in. So how the stock market works is that you pay for a share of a company. You can trade the stocks at any time, you can sell them. I invest for the long term, so ETFs are safe to invest in for the long term. Always make sure to do your research before you do buy a stock. Check the stats and see how the price of the share has raised within the last year or within the past couple of months. See how it is progressing. I have invested in Tesla way back when it was like $300. And something funny about the stock market too is that you buy a few shares and then you see that it's like gradually growing and growing and growing. Your first instinct is to sell it because like you have that doubt, oh, it's gonna go down, what if it goes down? A lot of people end up selling it, which is fine. But I think for long-term investment, it would be worth it if you do keep it. You never know what's gonna happen. Even with Amazon, back in 1997, it actually started off with $18 per share, but now it's like over $3,000 per share. Who would have thought that like years ago that Amazon would become this big? Yeah, for me, I have decided that I'm gonna invest for long term, and I do invest for companies that I think will grow in the long term. You can always tutor online, teach English. There's a lot of jobs. You can also consider starting a YouTube channel. In order to start getting monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can get monetized. Think about what kind of content you want to create. Make sure you have the editing software or apps that you can use to edit your videos. And then you can do your own side business as well. Dog walking, babysitting. Another way to make money would be flipping. So that's like if you buy something used and you can resell that. This would be like the easiest way to make money for maybe teenagers. What you can do is you can go to the thrift shop. I would suggest looking through technology section. Also, even the baking, kitchen stuff would sell out really quickly. So if there's anything like that, I would buy it. Usually it's really cheap if you just buy it used. And then you can resell it. So normally what I do is, if I were to buy a yoga mat for $5, I would resell that for maybe $15 or $20. Just by doing that, you just earn like $10, $15. Also do like make this into a real business if you'd like. So maybe you want to resell clothing, but if you're artsy, what you can do is you can buy clothing and you can customize it, sell it on Shopify or Etsy. I usually use Facebook Marketplace. I also do have a small business. I make and sell earrings. I hand make earrings and sell them off of Etsy. So how I do that is basically I get my materials from a wholesale company that sells in bulk that I can buy for cheap. Go through your house. I'm pretty sure you have so many things that you don't use anymore that you can sell. I realized in my living room I don't have anything except for a couch. I basically sold everything that I don't use, and I got a lot of extra cash from that. I put it into investing in stocks, and I also put it in my savings to save up for deposits for when I buy houses. Investing in stocks and real estate would be my two major suggestions to make pretty good money off.
If you have a dog, don't just let them sit there like this. Make them work for it. Make them bring you some cash. Create a YouTube channel for your dog. There's a lot of
dog YouTube channels right now. If those videos get monetized, basically your dog is bringing you some income. Another option is to do Uber. There's like Uber delivery and just Uber giving people rides. If you have a car, you can do Uber. But if you don't have a car, you can do Uber delivery by walking or riding your bike within your neighborhood. Also, you can work on your own schedule. You can work whenever you want, basically. And there's not just Uber, there's Skip the Dishes, DoorDash. If you guys need more information on getting invested in rental properties or getting into real estate, or even investing in stocks for beginners, comment down below and I will make more videos on that. I don't know why I'm holding this. It's supposed to be like, you know, when teachers, yeah. If you have any questions, DM me, message me, comment down below. This video was helpful, click the like button. Goodbye.